how are you today? And welcome to Let's Cocolate. Today we're gonna make Dalgona coffee. Yes, I've been making this for a while, and all of a sudden now it's so popular everywhere, and it started in Korea as a candy, now ended up as a frothy whipped coffee, which looks like a cappuccino but upside down. Usually cappuccino coffee, then the whipped milk on top. This one, it's the milk on the bottom and the whipped coffee on top. And only like 4 ingredients: the instant coffee, and make sure instant coffee, sugar, hot water, and the milk. Now the way I make it and the way I drink it, I use the almond milk, which is almond beverages. And for whisking, you can use this one here. It takes you about 12 to 15 minutes, or if you have the hand mixer, about 3-4 minutes, or if you have one of those here, it takes you about like 4 or 5 minutes, and it's super easy. You just push down and up and it whisks for you. So let's start here. A 1/4 cup instant coffee, 1/4 cup sugar, and a 1/4 cup hot water, about 1 teaspoon caramel extract. So now we're gonna start whisking. You can see that start foaming. So we're gonna keep whisking till it becomes like a meringue. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It's nice. It's like a caramel meringue. Amazing. Yum, look at this. Lovely. Look at this. Now this is a problem. I'm gonna eat it all like this. It's yummy, fluffy, puffy, whipped coffee. It's amazing. Now let's put it together. So first I'm gonna put a couple of ice, the almond beverages, which is known as the almond milk, and we're gonna go about 3/4 only. I have here vanilla syrup. I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon. And now the magic part. Yum, look at this. And don't be afraid if you make a little bit extras. I always make extra, put it in a container, put it in the fridge for a few days whenever I need some. Almost every day I drink it, so look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. I'm gonna add a little dash of cinnamon on top. And this drink, you can customize it the way you want it, whatever you like. And you can use a regular milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use cocoa powder, whatever you want. And now let's see. Wow. From instant coffee, sugar, water, milk, into one of the best you will ever have. Don't wait too long to make this Dalgona coffee. It's a whipped coffee. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.